Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M283fdw printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds and after that scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search type HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M283fdw printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer. Open the first link. Here we find our printer name. Open that link. Official website of the HP printer is open. Here we find printer name. Here we find Windows and the bit. If bit is not right or Windows is not right, then click on choose a different OS. Select operating system Windows. In a version, select Windows 10 32-bit if 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit and click on the updates. It's refresh your page and after that scroll down and here we find one option, driver product installation software, expanded driver product installation software. Click at here, expand it. Here we find our full software solution. Click on this download, click on download. It's redirect you to the another HP official web page and at the top we find download is started and it's take 1 or 2 minutes. So be patient and wait for 1 or 2 minutes to download to complete on our PC or laptop. After download is complete, we go to our next step. Wait for few seconds. Our download is almost completed. Wait for few seconds. Our download is completed now. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it and here we find our setup file. We are going to install this setup file. Right click on it, click on run as administrator or double click on it and after that in a few seconds extension process is started. Click on yes. It's unzip first and then software is started installing on our PC or laptop. Wait for a few seconds to complete this process on our PC or laptop. Here we find our process is start and it's complete in a few seconds. So wait for a few seconds to unzip these files on our PC or laptop. Wait for a few seconds. Now it started and here we find continue. Click on the continue. Here we find customize software selections. Click on that or not click and click on the next. Here we find I received agreements. Select this, check this, select this, check this and click on the accept terms and condition. Click on the accept. Click on no thanks or yes. Click on yes or no thanks depending on you. Wait for a few seconds. Installation process is started. Now here we find 1 to 9 step and it's take 1 or 5 minutes. So be patient and wait for a few minutes to completely install this printer driver on your PC or laptop. It's take 5 minutes. So be patient and wait for 5 minutes. Now our setup is completed. Now two options are IMP for us, automatic setup or manual setups. I go to the manual setup. If you want to automatic, then go to the automatic. I go with the manual setups and click on the next. If you want to Wi-Fi connection or wireless, then select this first option and click on the next. If you want to wired with the Ethernet connection, Ethernet cable, then select this and click on next. If you want to USB, then select USB connection and attach your USB cable and click on the next. If you want to attach your USB cable or Wi-Fi later, then select this, check this and click on the next. I go with the USB, select USB and click on the next. Wait for a few seconds and after that attach your printer USB cable to your PC to your printer and power on your printer. I won't and click on the skip or the next. I click on the continue the installation without connecting now and I click on the skip. Wait for a few seconds and click on the finish. Now check out printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, if you find printer name fax HP color LaserJet MFP M282 M285, that means our printer is the series printer. In this series printer, our printer name M283fdw is included. This printer is 110% work on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.